Tidal flooding. You know, it's been a huge problem this morning during this winter storm, especially in downtown Norfolk, where the water was rising at a rapid rate all morning. It has since receded a great deal, but there's still a lot of standing water out there, and that is where we find News 3 reporter Chelsea Donovan. Chelsea, I personally saw several cars die in what we call Lake Only. What's the latest on those water levels downtown?
Yeah, you're exactly right, Barbara. What a difference about 6 hours makes. The area where I'm standing right now, we would have been in about a foot or a foot and a half of water. This is the banks here of the Hag down in the Mowbray Arch community. The Hag, of course, a tributary of the Elizabeth River. Of course, again, all of this was underwater leading up to this street here, and that's where we saw all of those cars that were underwater earlier today. Let's show you some of that video from earlier today. Man, what a difference. Look at the Hag. The Norfolk high tide was around 10 a.m. and that proved to be a problem for many neighborhoods around that area. Streets flooded around the Mowbray Arch community as well as downtown near Bush and Llewellyn. One of the biggest problems, as we mentioned before, cars driving through those flooded streets, or in many cases, dozens getting stuck as those flood waters kept rising all morning. Many cars that we found were trapped, and of course, those owners weren't pleased.
I mean, it's crazy. I just moved in about 3 weeks ago, and nobody told me that that side of the parking lot floods. You know, I would have never parked over on that side, and, you know, hopefully my car starts when I get to it.
I lost my phone. Cue me. Of course, folks, one thing to remember is that this isn't the end of the high tide. It's again at 10 p.m. tonight. So if you live in this area around the Hag, safe to say you want to go ahead and move your cars up to some higher areas, because we may experience that tidal flooding once again in just the next couple of hours. We're live in Norfolk tonight. Chelsea Donovan, News 3.